I know how difficult it is trying to earn money with affiliate marketing. I know you've tried everything and it seems not to be working out. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money from the biggest affiliate network in the world, and that is clickbank.com. And I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step in this video. All you literally need to do is to make sure to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any vital step. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to clickbank.com. And for those who don't know, like I said, this is the biggest affiliate network in the world. And as you can see right here, they've paid over $6 billion to affiliates across the globe. And as you can see, they currently have over 100,000 affiliates on the platform. So once you come over to the platform, all you simply need to do is to click on Start Here and you'll be able to create an account on Clickbank. However, keep in mind, Clickbank mainly hosts digital products, which means you don't have to worry about shipping any product or handling the delivery of any product, which means once people purchase any product on Clickbank, they are going to have instant access to that product. And that is one of the major advantages of promoting digital products. So once you create an account on Clickbank, you're going to have access to the marketplace, and this is where you can pick products from various niches. However, I have always recommended certain niches to my mentorship students, and there are 4 niches I always recommend my students to go into because these are the best niches to make the most money with affiliate marketing. And that is health and fitness, make money online, spirituality, and relationship. So once you come over to this marketplace section, like I said, as you can see right here, we have health and fitness, e-business, and e-marketing. And this is where you find the make money online products. Okay. And as you can see here, we have spirituality. So now I'm going to take the health and fitness as an example. So once you come over to this page, as you can see, there are over 580 products under this category alone. So you then want to come over to the sorting section and you want to make sure to go with products that have high gravity. And this is because other affiliates are currently making a lot of money with this product at the moment. So why not also make money from this product? Because these are the hottest products at the moment, and these products are proven to be successful for other affiliates, which means you can also jump on the opportunity and make money with that product. The first product here is Java Bond, which is going to pay you $149 for every single sale you make for this product. And the cool feature about this product is that you are also going to get recurring commission every single month. As you can see here, $39 as long as people continue using that product. Imagine you get just 30 people to purchase this product from your affiliate link. Even though you are going to make $149 in the front end every single month, if these 30 people continue using this product, you will be making $1,000 every single month in passive income. So like I said, you want to make sure to pick the top product in whatever category you're working with. Okay. So for this video, we are going to be taking this Java Bond as an example. As you can see, this is a fitness product. So all you simply need to do is to click on the promote button. So once you click on the promote button, you will be able to get your affiliate link. And this is the link you're going to use to promote this product. And whenever you make a sale, you're going to get your commission. Once you've gotten your affiliate link, the next step is to start driving traffic. And just as mentioned in the title of this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of Instagram traffic to make money with Clickbank. So all you simply need to do is to go over to Instagram.com, or you can do that on your mobile phone and create a free account. So once you create an account on Instagram, the next step is to simply come over to the search section and you want to type in keyword related to your niche. So if you do that, I'm going to take this account here as an example. So once you follow this account, as you can see right here, Instagram will automatically suggest other related accounts to you. So all you simply need to do is to follow this type of account because I'm going to show you how to make money from this niche. So once you follow this account, you want to take a look at this account and see the way they structure their content. And also you want to go to the bio as well and look at the way they carve out their bio, and you want to definitely model after their success. So I don't recommend you copy and paste what they are doing. You basically just want to get inspiration and ideas when creating your own content. All right, so you can see this post here as an example. As you can see, this is a very simple post you can create yourself, and as you can see, it has over 700 likes already. And as you can see here, I'm going to show you how you can also get this type of engagement, which also means more money for you, as people are going to be clicking on your link. Okay, so now to create this type of content is very easy. All you simply need to do is to head over to canva.com. So if you come over to canva.com, this is a free design tool that you can use to create content without having to hire freelancers or anyone to do it for you. So basically, they have a lot of templates you can simply use to plug and play and create graphics or art in matter of seconds. Okay, so once you come over to canva.com, which is absolutely free to use as well, all you simply then need to do is to come over to where it says social media. And once you come over here, you want to make sure to come to where it says Instagram, and you want to select Instagram post. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you can look for templates depending on whatever niche you are working with. So for me, I'm going to type in fitness here as an example. So once you do that, as you can see, there are so many templates here that have been made available to you by Canva, which you can use to start creating content right away. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to create a very simple image like this, and I'm going to show you how I did it on Canva. So as you can see, I just created this content on Canva. As you can see right here, everything was 100% made on Canva. You don't have to copy the content 100%. You just basically want to get idea from this account, and you can use that to create your own content. And now you may be wondering, how do you get images? As you can see, this is basically text and images, and also the content here, which is going to be giving value to people. So all you simply need to do is to go over to pexels.com, and just like I mentioned, you want to type in keyword related to your niche. So if I type in fitness as an example, as you can see, this is the image I used to create that post on Canva. As you can see, this is the image right here. All I just simply needed to do was to flip this image like this, and as you can see, it's very similar to this one right here. And if people are engaging with this one, definitely this post is going to get a lot of engagement and go viral as well. And now you may be wondering, how do you get content? All you simply need to do is to go over to chatgpt.com, and as you can see, this is an AI tool you can use to generate content in matter of seconds. So if you type in a simple prompt like this, morning training versus evening training, give me 5 benefits of both of them, and as you can see, in matter of seconds, it's going to give you content you can use to create a post on Canva. So once you create the post on Canva, you want to basically come over here to where it says share, and you'll be able to download this content to your device. And if you are starting out on Instagram, I highly recommend to post at least 9 images on your account, because you don't want people to come over to your account and see that you barely have any content in your account. People will get discouraged because they will assume you barely have any content on your account, and it's unlikely they are going to follow you. So it's very important that the first day you post 9 images on your account. You can go over to related accounts in your niche, and you can get ideas from the type of content they are creating, and you can use Canva to create that type of content. And now once you've created content, you are going to need hashtag depending on whatever niche you are working with. And now I'm going to show you the best website to get the best hashtag to promote content on Instagram. So you want to come over to besthashtags.com. As you can see right here, this is a hashtag research tool that you can use for Instagram, which is going to increase your viewership, grow your audience, and get more engagement. So now I'm going to simply type in fitness. So if you type in fitness, it's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see right here, you are going to see a lot of hashtag related to fitness. And what I always recommend my students to do is to come over to where it says popular hashtag. You want to copy at least 3 to 5 popular hashtags like this. Then you want to also scroll down to the medium section, and you want to also copy another 3 to 5 hashtags from the medium section. Then finally, you want to come over to the easy section, and you want to also copy 3 to 5 hashtags from here. And these are the hashtags you are going to be including when you make a post on Instagram. So you can see this is a very simple strategy anyone can literally do to grow on Instagram. And before you start promoting any affiliate product, you are going to need a lead magnet. And to get a lead magnet, you can simply go over to freeplrdownloads.com. And if I type in fitness right here, you are going to see a lot of fitness products you can download and give away to people in return for their email addresses. It's very important to get people email address because that way you can send them other related products in future, and this is going to become a private asset to you because imagine you have access to 1,000 email addresses of people who are interested in the health and fitness niche. All you simply need to do is to send them other related products and they will keep on buying that product, and that is going to be an asset for you in the long run. And now to create a landing page is very easy to do. You can simply come over to one of the best landing page builders out there, which is breezy.io, and it's absolutely free to use. All you simply need to do is to click on start your free trial, and you'll be able to create an account Google with either your Google account or your LinkedIn account. So once you create your account, you'll be able to create landing page within seconds. So as you can see, they have numerous templates you can use to create landing page. So I'm going to use this one here as an example. So as you can see, all you simply need to do is to edit this text to whatever niche you are working with. You then want to make sure to download this lead magnet. So all you simply need to do is to click on it and you'll be able to download it to your device. As you can see, this is just 1.69 megabytes that you can download straight away for absolutely free, and you can give this to people in return for their email address. So for this phone number section, you can just delete this. And as you can see, it's going to say download ebook now. And now for the image, you can also change it as well. Like I mentioned earlier, you can get royalty-free images from pexels.com, and you can use that depending on whatever niche you are working with. So this is a very simple strategy you can use to start collecting email addresses from people who are interested in that niche and start sending them related offer in that niche, because this means if they don't purchase this Java Bond product, you can send them other related products in the health and fitness category. And finally, consistency is key. You want to upload at least 1 to 3 posts every single day. And if you are very lazy, at least upload 1 post a day on your Instagram account. And I can assure you, you are going to start getting clicks and start getting affiliate commission. And here is a bonus trick you can use to even get more followers. You can come over to those who engage with this content, and that is people who like this post and people who made comment on this post. All you simply need to then do from here is to follow these people, at least follow 10 to 30 people a day, and these people will follow you back because they already know you create content in this niche. And once people start following you back, you can send them a simple DM like this, which is going to basically introduce yourself and basically letting people know they can get value from your account. And also, this is going to be your landing page link where if they go to, you are going to collect their email addresses. And once you collect the email addresses, you can start sending them links to the affiliate product. I hope this makes sense. And also don't overdo this, because if you do so, it's going to get your account deleted. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now. This is the next video you should watch to make money with affiliate marketing.